What is going on, guys? It's your boy Crew. We're back with a new video. Wait, watch out. What is going on, guys? It's your boy Crew. We're back with a new video. Today we're in Midtown on 36th Street, 6th Avenue. We had this order for $32 for almost 5 miles. And by the way, I'm on top Dasher, so I could decline any order I want. Right now my acceptance rate is at 1%. I've been cherry picking the whole time ever since I got Top Dasher, and I'm stacking it with Uber Eats. But right now Uber's kind of dead, so I'm not turning that shit on. Thank you. So we got our first order picked up. Let's go for the next one. I'm not gonna cap. It's actually pretty cold today.
It's not ready yet.
Okay.
It's cold, bro. What you think about this?
One eternity later.
Hi. You're welcome.
That's it.
Yep. Thank you. So he tipped me a $20 tip at least. So we got this order from Uber Eats. That was $12 with a hidden tip. I'll take it, why not? And it's 10 items. So it's like a small catering. It's like 3 miles for $12, but it's a hidden tip. It has to go up eventually. If they tip me $20 or $30, I'll be fine.
These two right here.
This too?
Yeah,
Got it.
these two.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, hello.
So we're gonna pick up this $17 order. It's a double for only 2 miles. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. And the bad news right now is that it's actually raining now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lo puedo dejar aquí.
Sorry. So we got another order from Uber Eats. It was $11 for 1.7 miles. But it was a hidden tip. Of course I'm taking it. Thank you. Like, I don't think I'm gonna do DoorDash anymore. So Uber's paying good right now. They just gave me a $19 order. I think it was for 2 miles. We had the Quest for $5. So it was basically a $25 order. Or it could be more. Thank you.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Uber Eats. I got my $5 Quest just because I completed 3 trips. Not bad. So basically, I was supposed to work 2 more hours straight, but you know what I did? I just took a whole break at the bike shop. So I was just relaxing for 2 hours. I didn't feel like working anymore for some reason. So I basically just gave up. I turned my DoorDash on. I got a $14 order, 1 mile. I'll do it, why not? But today was a really bad weather condition, like super bad. And that's why I gave up. I didn't feel like working no more. It's still super cold and it's raining. But not only that, it's the wind. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, it's fine. Yep. Okay, ladies, so right now we're gonna show the earnings. So for Uber Eats, I was able to make $56.34. And on DoorDash, I was able to make $64. So I made a total of $120.34 in about 4 hours, or even less. The only reason I wasn't able to work for more than 4 hours was because it was very cold and windy. I could work in the cold, but if the wind hits me a lot, then it's very challenging for me to actually work comfortably. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, post notifications on. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
I'm out and all the time. No, 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 no.